Since the filter was loose, I take the air intake system apart as far as I can for a better understanding. What the heck is that? It looks like mouse shit. You can see the battery compartment here has some kind of fleece protection on it. It should be covered just like the other side. This material was placed right on top of the air intake valve. Someone wanted to get cozy in here and used it as a nest. Let's get everything cleaned up and check past the intake valve to make sure there isn't any debris left down there.
Listen to the wind blow down.
That's what I call a quick fix.
Is this realistic?
I think so, it matches. Here is a thorough cut, this is how it's supposed to be. It's just this piece that was gnawed away that makes sense.
That's crazy. Kinda relief though.
We solved the breakdown within half an hour and we are back on the road like nothing has happened, if it would always be like this.
Leave a comment, repost, like it.